Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, today's video is another unboxing, and this is actually my second tech unboxing, and I'm super excited about this one because it's another product that I purchased to use for my YouTube channel. So if you guys haven't seen already, I did my vlogging camera unboxing, which I will link up right up here, which is the Canon G7X Mark II, and today we are unboxing my iPad. Oops. So I'm just going to explain a little bit of what I bought, why I bought it, and kind of go into some apps and things. Please let me know in the comments down below what apps I need for my iPad. I'm super excited for this. If you guys are new here, I typically make beauty and lifestyle videos. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also subscribe while you're at it so you can be notified of my future uploads. I'm going to go into what I purchased first. Start off with the accessories. I bought the Apple Pencil. I just feel like with an iPad Pro, you need the pencil to kind of navigate, and also I want to do some creative things such as not drawing but like lettering and things for my YouTube and like thumbnails and stuff, so I decided to get the Apple Pencil. I also got the Magic Keyboard, which is very sturdy. So it has the Apple, it has the full keyboard and the touchpad. It also tilts backwards, so it's angled for you. So it's very, very durable. I purchased this from Amazon. It's a screen protector, but it's also paper-like film. So when you're writing or using the Apple Pencil on the iPad, it feels like paper. So I will have Maynard put this on because I'm terrible at putting these things on and he's so much better. So he's gonna put this on for me. And Apple was having a promo right now where if you buy a laptop or iPad, you actually get a free pair of AirPods. I already had a pair of AirPods, so I upgraded for the AirPods Pro, which I'm really excited about because these ones are not only smaller for your ears, but they're also noise canceling, so they're tiny compared to the AirPods that I have. And for the main event, I got the 12.9-inch 1 terabyte iPad Pro, and this one just has Wi-Fi only because I really only need it for like when I'm at home. So the main reason I got this iPad Pro was for a number of reasons. One, I want to try to edit my videos on the iPad Pro. I have a MacBook Pro right now, but it just always gets full, and so I'm constantly like erasing and getting rid of basically everything on that laptop. I really only use it for the internet and to edit my videos, but I was thinking about either buying a new MacBook Pro or an iPad, and I just felt like I would get more out of an iPad Pro. I really love lettering, so yeah, so I'm really excited to use Procreate on here. Eventually I want to get a Cricut, so I want to be able to like print out designs and stuff like that, so that is also another reason why I wanted the iPad, so I can like freehand stuff. And I also am going to use it to keep myself organized. I am a big agenda to-do list kind of person, and being able to use my Apple Pencil and just kind of like write everything out for the day, or take notes on things. When I'm planning out my videos in detail, I can just kind of keep everything all in one spot with all my details, products I need, like just everything that goes into me planning a video. I can just write it out on my iPad. And I also want to use it to hook up to my camera when I'm filming, so I can use it as like a monitor so I can see myself and make sure I'm in focus. And like everything that I'm talking about now, minus the notes, like the handwritten notes, I could do on a MacBook, but I just love being able to take it anywhere, and it's super thin, super light. I just wanted the iPad so I could be able to kind of just take it wherever I need it, and I wouldn't have to worry about like a laptop. That's kind of the basics of why I got it. I mean, to be honest, the main reason was to edit my videos, so we'll see if I am able to edit my videos on the iPad. From what I kind of looked up, it's very similar. So I got the 1 terabyte obviously because I'm using this for a lot of different things and I'm gonna be uploading large files on here, so I didn't want to spend money on something and then it turns out to be just like my MacBook, where I'm like constantly deleting stuff and getting rid of things. So yeah, I'm very excited, and I got the 12.9 inch obviously because I'm using it for YouTube and I'm using it for the different things that I mentioned, and I just wanted it to be a large screen. So it's beautiful. It's huge, as you can see, compared to my face. Yeah, that about wraps it up for my unboxing of my iPad Pro. I hope that maybe this was helpful for you guys, and if you guys have any must-have apps for the iPad Pro, let me know, because I know there are some apps that are specifically just for the iPad and not the phone, so let your girl know. And don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.